Have you ever looked at your notes before an exam and thought, that's too much here. Where do I even start? That frustration, that overwhelm is exactly what inspired this project. Let me introduce you to Exam Helper AI. It's an AI-powered system that transforms something messy and unstructured into something clear, organized, and actually useful for studying. Here how it works. You simply your images of handwriting or printed note, type subject, select quiz difficulty, press the button, and the system does something powerful. It understands them. In second, it converts those notes into topic summarize, key point, important fact, exam tips. So instead of rereading everything, you focus on only what truly matters. But it doesn't stop there. The system also generates exam quiz based on your own content. So you are not just reading, you are actively testing yourself. And that's where real learning happens, when you challenge your understanding, not just consume information. And finally, it turns your notes into audio learning material in Bangla. So when you are walking, resting, or anywhere from your desk, your study material is still with you, quietly reinforcing what you learn. For me, this project is more than just code. It's about making learning feel less stressful and more accessible. Because every student deserves a way to study their fit their life, not the other way around. And maybe that's the real power of AI, not replacing how we learn, but helping us learn better. So if you take one thing from it, it will be this: don't just use technology, build with get something that solves a real problem in a small one. Because a small idea, when built with purpose, can be create a real